Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. We're going to start our today's session. It's lesson number 3, week 3 and page number 11. This is our chapter number 2, from weather to climate, and our topic of discussion is major climatic regions of the world. So here you can see the page number 11. It includes major climatic regions of the world, and you can see some pictures on this page. Now I will explain these pictures and these regions one by one in detail. So there are 6 major climatic regions of the world: polar regions, equatorial regions, temperate regions, tropical regions, desert regions, and mountain regions. Okay, first 4 regions belong to the latitude of the earth, and last 2 regions are depending upon the earth's physical features. Okay, so polar region is, there are the coldest regions of the world. These are called polar regions. These polar regions are characterized by extremely cold temperatures, heavy glaciation wherever. Glaciation means there are glaciers of ice, okay? Wherever there is sufficient precipitation to form permanent ice, and extreme variations in daylight hours, with 24 hours of daylight in summer and complete darkness at midwinter. Equatorial regions. These regions are located in a band around the equator line and cover about 6% of the Earth's surface. They are often in lowland areas and have a climate that is hot and wet all year round. Tropical rainforests grow in the equatorial regions. Temperate regions. The part of the Earth's surface lying between the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and they're characterized by having a climate that is warm in summer, cold in winter, and moderate in the spring and fall. Our Pakistan is also situated in temperate regions. Tropical regions. The tropics are the region of the earth surrounding the equator. The tropics include all the areas on the earth where the sun contacts a point directly overhead at least once during the year. Desert regions. A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs, and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the processes of denudation. About 1/3 of the land surface of the world is consisting of desert regions. Means these are the regions which are not fit for plantation and for the human living. Mountain regions. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. A mountain is generally steeper than a hill. So, there are 6 main climatic regions of the world: polar, coldest parts of the world; mountain, high altitude mountains; temperate, areas with the moderate temperatures; tropical, hot and humid areas with heavy rainfall; desert, hot temperature in the day and freezing at night; equatorial, areas which are hot and humid throughout the year and receive violent thunderstorms. Now you have to do a task. Write these words into vocabulary journal and find their meanings. These words are factor, latitude, equator, retain, monsoon, precipitation, and considerable. Thank you.